There is a QMR building up on Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. For those of you who do not know what QMR is, it's very simple. I had explained this in a video prior to this video, and I do not want to explain this video for long. So I'm going to put up the link to that video up here somewhere. Go back to that video and watch how QMR works, but I'm going to be able to explain it in a very short pattern. So if you're out there and you want to see what forex trading really looks like, this is the channel for you. Like, trust me, this is the channel for you. This channel is the raw documentation of actual progress and regressions that a person who is into forex seriously and also has a 9-to-5 job is like. This is literally the whole shebang. There is no hiding anything, there is no pretending, there is no extra editing, there's no. Now the QMR is literally what we are seeing right here. I'm going to take this out of the picture. When I take away the chart out of the picture, this, my dear friends, is a QMR. What is a QMR? We see price take out this low, right? So let's paint this red to see that it was taken out. And then we see price take out what? The next thing, this high, right here. You see price come back down, return, right? It returns. You see the return right here. It returns right here, but it doesn't take out this low. Instead, it creates a low hanging somewhere and moves up. And in its moving up, it takes out what? The next high. Meaning we now have one low, one high, one high. You see it? Low, high, high, low, high, high taken out. And what do we expect? Now, the QMR code is something I learned from Dax, which is a trader on YouTube, a Nigerian trader on YouTube. And the last time I tried this, it worked, but I got stopped out. I got wicked out, actually, but it worked. So now I want to go at it again, but this time with a bigger stop loss, right? The bigger stop loss. If I return the chart, right, the price chart to this place, this is the price chart. So this time I'm going to be placing my stop loss. I measured from the bottom of this to the bottom of this, and I'm doubling it. So it means my stop loss is supposed to come down all the way here, all the way down here. I feel round number is actually better, so I'll go beyond the round number, and then I'll aim for the 3 risk to reward ratio. So you can say I already have a trade here, but this trade is not from this context. Why? You can see how small the stop loss is, see how high the take profit is. This trade is not from this context, and it's simply because this trade was found on the 15 minutes. Now, I'm not supposed to be a small time trader, right? Now, according to the part 2, I've had this is the first up, down. So let's look at the breaks. All we're looking for is this high to be taken out. And you can see it right here, this high has been taken out. We're looking for this high to be taken out also, and you can see the high has been taken out. But the low that brought about this high, where is it? And you see that low is right here. So in that context, right, in this context, I have a low, a high, a low. But why is my stop loss down here? Well, because I was looking at this very tiny structure down here. You can see the structure that I also have another blue on top. There's a low, there's a high, there's a high again. So you can see the same thing repeating itself. High taking, low taking. Oh, sorry, that was an error. And then high taking. And then high taken. So my own prediction is, if price returns here, I expect it not to go way beyond this low. You can see why my price is here, and you can see that trade sitting down right here. This is one trade. The next trade is this bigger trade. The next trade is this bigger trade, where this zone becomes the entirety of what I am looking out for. You see on the 1 hour, This is the next one. And then on the big daily time frame, you can now see how I am producing all of these views for myself. So this is a trade I just wanted to introduce to you guys, QMR, QMC, and I want to see it play out. I want to see if it plays out, any of the three. So I'm taking about 1.5% of my account. So I've already done the first one. The first one is 0.5%. The next one will be another 0.5, and then the third one will be 0.5. So just 3 time frames, seeing which of them follows through and gives me profit. Well, any of them that gives me profit covers for the 3 losses, right? So fingers crossed. Let's head up to the next one. Catch you all on another one.